Okay, we are at 6009 West Paris Street.
Yeah.
This is in Tampa.
Yeah.
And what we have is a one-bathroom house.
See.
We are going to go through a clean out, which is just outside of the bathroom. I'm going to run the camera under the house first to perform an inspection of the pipe, and then we will run from the clean out towards the main. The diameter of the pipe seems to be very small, like there is something has been poured inside of the line. So now we are looking up at the bottom of the toilet. Again, it's just a one bathroom house, and the toilet is approximately 8 feet 6 inches from the clean out. So we can see a combo here that's going to be coming from the kitchen and from the bathroom.
Yeah.
Or from the shower or the vanity, excuse me. This here looks okay. Cast iron line.
Look, it has water. Can you look at me? Has here.
Alright, so this is right in the clean out. My camera's even getting stuck. You can see we've got a big chunk of, I don't know if it's concrete or grout or what it is right in here.
Yeah.
But you can see right inside of the clean out. So I'm going to try to get past that. Now we are in the main clay line. This looks really good. So we're going to run this out to the city tap and see how this looks. This looks really good so far. I don't see any cracks. I don't see any breaks.
Is it good?
Yeah, it looks very good. That's good news. So it looks like the problem is here, this way.
Oh.
This so far looks really good. So you can see the counter in the bottom left hand. I've got George, the homeowner. He's here with me watching the camera at the same time I am. This appears to be clay tile pipe or terracotta. Usually I find problems in this when there's roots growing into it at the junctions where they put the pipes together, because it comes in sections. And this pipe looks really good. So there's going to be our test tee, and this is going to be very close to where it ties into the city main. That's the city main right there. Yeah, that's where the city ties in.
Here?
It's got a little piece of debris right there, but that should be flowing. Flush the toilet for me. Let me check the flow.
The
toilet? Yeah, flush.
It's here.
Yeah, go flush the toilet.
I'll be here.
Mm-hmm.
Water?
Flush.
Yeah.
Toilet.
Toilet.
Yes,
Yeah.
please. George just speaks a little bit of English. So he's going to go in and we're going to flush the toilet and check flow down here at the tap. I heard it flush. It almost filled up the clean out. There's definitely an obstruction at this clean out. Something got poured into the clean out area. But what I want to see is this flow going into the city tap. It looks really good. You can see a little bit of debris right there at the tap connection, but I don't think that's what's causing any problems. So that line looks good. So the problem is definitely up near where the clean out is.
Hit. What?
Yeah, it's a little bit of debris. Right, that's right where the city tap is.
City?
This is the city line right here.
Bottom city?
Yeah. See how it drops down? That drops down into the city.
Oh.
See?
Problem, no problem.
No problem. Your problem is right in here.
Here.
Yes, correct.
See, me look at concrete here. Me. Hey?
Yeah, you chiseled concrete out of there already?
Yeah.
George is saying that he's chiseled concrete out of the clean out that we're going through, so I'm gonna pull back. I'm gonna let it record just so we can take another look at the clay tile main line, but it looked really good on the way out.
You get the water?
Yes.
Water here?
Oh yeah. I think your problem's right here, right in here.
No, water inside here. Clean.
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah. That's a 45. So yeah, I can even feel my camera getting stuck right here at the clean out. You can see how the diameter of the pipe right here.
Oh, we're looking here.
There's all the concrete right there.
Little bit.
Very small crack.
Yeah.
Very small crack in the clay, and that may have been from when somebody was trying to chip the concrete out of this clean out.
Yeah.
So the clean out is definitely.
What happened? Water here?
Yeah, this is all. So right now I'm going back towards under the house, and the reason all this is holding water is because there's so much concrete inside of the clean out. It's just causing all this standing water under the house. So it's kind of working off of displacement instead of off of gravity. So I mean, it's holding water all the way to the bottom of the toilet. So yeah, the problem, George, is right here.
Inside.
I don't know if it goes inside.
It's the water. Water has.
Yeah, because right here,
Yeah.
this is high. So all the water is staying because it can't go up the mountain.
Maybe do area down. Look it. Maybe tubo.
All right, so I am back out of the clean out now.
Maybe tubo. Here, inside, maybe down.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to conclude the video.